So guys, when it comes to hair health, hair growth, head massage is so important. If you're like most Indian kids, chances are that even you have grown up with the mummy ki champi. I personally miss mummy ki champi so much, ever since I left home, I really miss that. And here's the thing about mummy ki champi or any head massage for that matter, guys. Head massage is very good for your hair health because when you massage your scalp, there is an improved blood circulation to your scalp. Improved blood circulation means more nutrition for your hair follicles. Now, if your hair follicles are getting more nutrition, obviously that will improve your hair growth. It will also help in reducing hair fall. It also helps in dealing with premature hair growing. So all things awesome associated with head massage. So no matter how often you apply hair oil, make sure that every time you apply hair oil, a little bit of head massage to go with it. And here's a quick routine that I want to share with you all. Try to do this at least once a week, if not every single time when you apply hair oil. You will see a massive difference in how your hair is behaving. So if you want to know what this awesome massage techniques is, just keep watching this video to find out. Now we start by first combing through the hair. Take your time and comb gently. Combing has multiple benefits, guys. When you comb through your hair, first of all, it detangles the hair, which obviously helps during the massage. Secondly, combing in itself is also a great way for improving blood circulation. For the next step, using your middle finger, very gently massage this area between your eyebrows. This not only helps you in relaxing but also helps in activating the right points, which also helps in improving the hair growth and hair health. Then we'll gradually move into the eyebrows. A lot of people find this extremely calming, very relaxing. Try to keep your eyes closed as you do this massage and then very gradually move to your forehead and continue massaging using your index finger and your middle finger like this. Now moving to the hair oiling. Now you can apply the hair oil directly if that's how you want to apply it. Honestly, even that works really well. However, if you want to take this one step ahead, you can pour a little bit of oil in a little bowl. Heat this up and then apply this hair oil to your scalp. While applying the hair oil, use all your fingers and using your fingertips just massage very gently in circular motions. Once you're done massaging in circular motions, lie down on your bed and flip your hair back, keeping your head down like this. Once you're done massaging for about 3 to 4 minutes, sit back straight up and then go to the back end of your scalp. This is a place where you have multiple points, guys. In Ayurveda, these points are known to be very crucial when you want to improve your hair growth. So very gently press down, then moving to the sides of the ear using your index finger and your middle finger. Massage very gently like this for another 2 minutes. Comb through your hair once again very well to improve blood circulation. Ending it all by tying up your hair in nice little plaits to keep them out of your face. Now this is a routine which should be ideally followed every single time you oil your hair, but if you don't have the patience, guys, try to do it at least once a week. And talking about hair oiling, obviously since you want to improve your hair growth and your hair health, it's very important that you also use a hair oil which will help in improving the hair growth and hair health. So like you saw in the video today, I was using the Mamaearth Bring Amla hair oil, which I have very recently talked about on my channel. So if you want to know more about this hair oil, I'll put the link for the last video in the description box below. It is made using the Sheerpak formula, which makes it absolutely amazing for your hair health, for your hair growth. And talking about Mamaearth, guys, you know Mamaearth is a plastic positive brand. It's a cruelty free brand and all the products are actually made in India. So let's support vocal for local, guys. And yes, all the details, everything, all the links with the discount code will be in the description box below if you want to know more. So guys, that's all I want to share in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. After you have tried out this hair oiling method, let me know how it made you feel. Were you feeling relaxed? Were you feeling sleepy? Personally, I end up feeling very sleepy after this method because it just really calms your nerves down. It makes you feel so much better. So let me know how your experience was and how you felt, and once you start seeing a difference in your hair growth and your hair health, please come back and let me know about that as well, because it will help a lot of my viewers feel encouraged to try out this method as well. So yes guys, that's all I want to share in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell icon for notifications, guys, and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.